Cramoni's Primary School acknowledges the traditional custodians of the land, the Bunurong people on which we stand today, and recognize their continuing connection to land, water, and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders, past, present, and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth for toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this week's Cramoni's Primary School online assembly. Well, my first message is to congratulate our students in Year 1 who attended the Myuna farm excursion. I hear our students had a wonderful, wonderful time, many new and exciting experiences, so congratulations, children. And I must say a really big thank you to the staff and our parent helpers for supporting the children on the day. Now, unfortunately, our foundation excursion to Myuna farm was postponed because of the wet day we had last Tuesday, but we planned that excursion for the first couple of weeks of September. So I know our prep students were really excited, but we will get to visit the Myuna farm. Just a lot of fun today at the Bookweek Parade. I thoroughly enjoyed seeing all the students dressed up, and wonderful to see the children reading so many books around the school. Last week we had the Year 2 sleepover at school. Again, a lot of fun. Even I got to sleep over at the school, and I must say a really big thank you to the Year 2 teaching team and to the teachers that supported the sleepover. I know the children had a wonderful, wonderful time, and lots of excitement on the night. If we look at our SWPBS work that we're going to complete next week, is focusing on the school value of respect, focusing on the playground during recess and lunchtime, and that is we return borrowed equipment. So let's all work together and ensure that we return our borrowed equipment. In finishing the online assembly this week, I would like to just remind once again all students of the importance of reading. Read every single day, even on weekends. And as I say, you may like to read to a younger brother or sister, an adult, or even your dog or cat. But make sure you read every single day. All right, thank you, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful week. Stay safe. And remember, if you're riding a bike or scooter around, please ensure that you wear a helmet and that chin strap is securely done up under your chin. Take care, everyone. I look forward to seeing you around the school. Bye now.
Next week's SWPBS goal is that we return borrowed equipment. I'm gonna borrow this for playtime. Hi, can I please borrow this? Yes. Thank you. Here you go. Thank you for letting me borrow it. You're welcome. It's Chelsea. from other people.
Hello everyone, it's that time of the week again, time to make each other smile. Are you ready for this week's joke? How do ghosts wash their hair? 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, your time is up. How do ghosts wash their hair? With shampoo. Have a wonderful, wonderful week and keep smiling.